Hey everyone! If you're thinking about starting an online business, you've probably had this doubt. Should I sell on Amazon or should I start with Meesho? Honestly, this is one of the most confusing decisions for beginners because both platforms look good, both promise income. But the reality is, they are very different. And if you choose the wrong one, you might waste a lot of time and even money. So in this video, I'm going to break it down in a very simple way. No complicated terms, just real practical explanation. So yeah, welcome back. If you're new here, this channel is all about online business, e-commerce, and simple ways to start earning. Today, we're going to compare Amazon and Meesho, and I'll help you understand which one is easier, which one gives better profit, which one is safer, and most importantly, which one is right for you. So let's get started. Let's start with the most basic question. Which platform is easier to start? Now, if you are a complete beginner, Meesho is honestly very easy. You can create an account quickly. You don't need too many documents. And within a short time, you can actually start selling. That's why a lot of beginners choose Meesho first. Now let's talk about Amazon. Amazon is a bit more serious. You need proper details, sometimes business documents, and the setup process takes a little time. But here's the thing. Because of this, Amazon builds more trust. So yeah, if you want something quick and simple, Meesho is the easier option. Now let's talk about something very important. Profit. Because at the end of the day, that's what matters, right? So, in Meesho, there are a lot of sellers, and many of them sell the same product. So what happens? Price becomes very low, and when price is low, your profit is also low. Sometimes, you might feel like you're working a lot, but earning very little. Now compare that with Amazon. On Amazon, if you choose the right product and present it properly, you can actually sell at a better price, which means better profit. Yes, Amazon charges some fees, but still, many sellers make good money there. So simple answer. Meesho is okay for small earnings. Amazon is better for bigger profit. Now let's talk about orders. Because without orders, there is no business. Amazon has a huge customer base. People already trust it. So when they see a product, they feel safe buying it. That's why orders on Amazon are more consistent. Now in Meesho, yes, you will get orders, but it's not always stable. Some days are good, some days are slow. Also, many customers look only for the lowest price, so they might cancel orders. So yeah, if you want stable sales, Amazon is stronger. Now let's talk about a hidden problem. Returns. This is something many beginners don't think about. In Meesho, return rate is usually higher. Customers can return products easily, and this can cause losses. Now Amazon. Returns are still there, but the system is more controlled. There are better rules, better handling. So compared to Meesho, it's a bit safer. So if you want to reduce losses, Amazon is the better choice. Now let's talk about skills. In Meesho, you don't need much knowledge. You can just start. But in Amazon, you need to learn a few things, like how to choose the right product, how to price it, how to create a good listing. At first, it may feel difficult, but once you learn, your growth can be much faster. So now, the final question. Which one should you choose? Here's the honest answer. If you just want to start quickly and learn the basics, go with Meesho. But if you're serious and you want to build a strong business, then Amazon is the better option. My personal suggestion? Start simple, learn from Meesho, then move to Amazon. That's the smartest path. So yeah, I hope this video helped you. Now tell me in the comments, which one are you planning to choose, Amazon or Meesho? If you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.